Alright, I'm gonna start recording. 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, people. Oh, wow. We won RB battles.
Hi.
We won RB battles. Yay, we won RB battles. Woo! Alright, welcome back for another video. Today, this is the about POV of both of us.
Yes.
And don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to Jamin and Joseph 2.0 because this will be uploaded here.
Yes.
And also subscribe to our channels, Jamin Games Vlog and Joseph Games 03.
Yes, of course, you must do that.
Yeah. Alright, what are we gonna do today?
You myself?
Maybe.
Bro.
I want to show you how cool this is.
Oh my god, what happened to my hands?
Oh no. Oh
Hey, bro, what do you do?
no. I don't know. Clear your glue.
Hey boy, I can't clear it. Ah,
Mine ain't good.
lol.
I want to show you how amazing these blocks are. Woo. Woo. Woo.
I wanna do it.
Today we're messing around with chairs.
I wanna do it. Wait,
This will be epic video.
hold on.
Oh bye. Where did I go?
Netherlands.
Hey, went Netherlands. Alright. What are we doing? What are we doing next? What are we doing next? Lol. Get up, come back here, come back. Hey, stop running everywhere. Before I curve stop you.
No.
And when the Arsenal game. What are we doing next? We are doing punching bag.
Based on your idea.
Oh no. We're playing with punching bag. Ah!
Bye.
This is a crazy
Hold on,
video.
Hold on, Jerry, there's a portal.
Yay.
Yay.
Now
I am
Now,
coming for you.
we're gonna celebrate with cake.
Mom.
No more for you.
Hi.
Get cake.
I
LOL.
just got caked.
Yeah, LOL.
Lol.
E. Don't make me punch. Woo. Wait, where did I go? Where did I go? I went Netherlands.
Yeah. We're in the Netherlands.
I came back.
Ah!
I came back. LOL. Ooh. Oh yeah, this is our recording station.
Yes.
And if you don't understand, what did you just say to me? Huh? Why are you so tall? Why are you so tall?
I am this tall.
Look, we got cute plushies. We got cute plushies. We got even more cute plushies.
Now, how do you even get those plushies in the
Hello, Zog. I like your game.
Yeah, we have these 3 plushies.
We have trios. Curve stomp, curve stomp, curve stomp. This will be uploaded on Jamin and Joseph 2.0. So make sure to like and subscribe right now. Also, subscribe to our channels,
Hey, what believe?
Jamin Games and Vlog and Joseph Gaming 03.
Do it.
The names I've made in the description if you don't know how to spell them.
Hold on. Here is
One more thing before we end the video. I'm just gonna leave these plushies here. One plushie, because I love this one. Also, these blocks are here.
here is our YouTube channel.
Oh yeah, that's a good idea. We're gonna have bouncing blocks coming away. LOL. This is our channel name. E. And this is my channel name. You don't know how to spell my name.
No, that's because it always censor it out, bro.
You don't know how to spell.
Hold on, get out the way.
This is how to spell my name. Here, up there.
Here,
Right here. Yeah, this is how you spell my name.
yeah, this is how you
Yeah,
actually spell his name.
boys. Spell my name, boy.
Here is our
Curve stomp, curve stomp. Oh wow, I just realized this jetpack. Let's end the outro with a jetpack outro. Okay?
yes,
Alright, grab a jetpack.
yes, you must. Yes, jetpacks are good things.
Good things to the good things. These are channels. And we're gonna end this video right here.
I think
Would you like- would you
Let's
mind
well
standing-
subscribe, right?
Yes.
Subscribe.
Subscribe.
Hold on.
Get your channel. This is my channel.
Lol.
Oh, wow, a star jetpack. Alright, we're gonna end this video here. Please leave a like, subscribe.
that?
Oh no, there's a Portomania.
What is that?
Alright, just leave a like,
Oh,
subscribe.
we have technical difficulties.
We're technicals. No.